Hello mga boss, good day na sa inyo dyan. This is Kuya Elmer once again from Kuya Elmer to Trade. So this is our first vlog, first demo of the year 2024. So hopefully this year will bring us a fruitful year with us. For today's video mga boss, we'll give the full details of this 2020 Toyota Wigo G with the lowest mileage of 18,000 from our buyer from Sikihor. So nag-request siya og full details sa nga unit kay right after apply niya for financing. So sir, good morning. Finally, nanata karon sa unit soon to be our 2019 Toyota Wigo G automatic transmission. So this is the last look sa Toyota Wigo nga before na-release to ang new look karon. So mo ni karon facing right now, mo ni ang front. So as you can see, unit is kuan good sir, good as brand new. So check na to, left and right nga headlight, of course crystal clear pa siya, fog lamp. So as you can see sa iyahang bumper sa nawong laki na gid siya. Okay, so proceed ta diri right side. So stock ang iyang rims. So ang tires niya, so naapa sa mga 85% ang kabag-on. So this is the power mirror. So naka-tint na 3M, dark outside, clear inside. So the door lock. So as you can see, diri right side wala gyud siya scratch dents. So door lock sa likod. And then proceed ta diri sa likod. So this is the tail light. Tail light focus na to ang left and right. So as we can see, tail light niya wala gyud scratch, wala gyud buak. So proceed ta diri left side. So of course hinog ra gyud kaayo. So interior 100% super hinog. So we'll proceed sir diri sa interior. So sir, proceed ta interior. Pag open pa lang nato, as we can see, compared with the previous Wigos, so lahi na gid ang interior, mas gipaluag, mas spacious na gid kaayo. So of course, good as brand new atong unit. Ang seats niya, front seat, back seats is kuha na gid siya, stock pa gid siya. So the legroom, spacious ra kaayo. Dashboard, sobra ra gid kalimpyo. Of course, J variant, touchscreen monitor na ta. Shifter, emergency brake, of course, kani manual nara. Alright. So, these are the buttons sa power mirror, the buttons sa power window. So, check na to ang ceiling. As we can see, naka-plastic pa gina siya, sir. So, sobra kalimpyo ang ceiling, wag yung Lewis or dense, nga mga mansa nga makita na to. So proceed ta, focus na to diri likod. So super ka spacious. So for passenger na separate button to adjust the kuan, the power window. So nara gid diha. So mo ni ang interior niya. So interior sobra ka limpyo, sobra ka hinog. So proceed ta sa mga functions and engine niya sir. So sir, pandaraw na to, since top of the line, push button na ni siya. How to start the engine, of course ato lang i-brake. And then nisiga na sa siya, and then we'll press the button. So one click na siya sir. So of course, pagpaandar pa lang nato, ato yung i-check ang actual mileage niya. It's 18,160 original, no tampered ni gina siya sir. So of course functions niya nang kuha na touchscreen. Check na to ang aircon. So aircon niya sir, super cold, grabe gud kayo ka bugnaw. So check na to ang mga power windows. Ang functions niya, of course, ang power mirror. So this is the driver side. So working ra, up and down. the right side. So working ra gid kay siya. And then right side sa likod. Yes, working ra gid. So left side likod, working ra gid siya. So of course balik ko na itong aircon, sobra kabugnaw. So interior, no, check dato ang power mirror, of course. So power mirror mo ni ambot power buttons niya. So just na to left side. So of course working ra. So absolutely our unit is kuan gid sir, brand new condition with 18,000 mileage original. So we'll check sa engine niya kung siya ka hilom kayo mo under. So sir, of course ang pinaka-importante na lang ang engine good. As we can see ang engine totally engine clean na gid siya, pero right after sa transaction before that release at the beginning double detail interior exterior engine of course, pero sa karon pa lang pretty limpyuhan na kayo. So as we can see nag-under na siya 100%. Limpyo kayo. Batteries nyo, first oil, intact na good. And then, ang coolant, of course, naara, intact ra. So, as you can see, again, nag-under na siya. Makita niyo, nagkuhan gamay ang engine. So, focus nyo na itong engine, sir. Grabe, kalimpyo. So balik-balik ko na ko, absolutely our unit is good as brand new condition with 18,000 mileage. And then last atong i-check ang baggage niya kung sa ka spacious sa likod. And including the tires, spare tires and tools. Baggage niya to sa likod, ato i-check kung sa ka spacious. Every time na tayo mga lakaw nga daghan ta og mga dala, of course dira nato ibutang. So dara, spacious ra kayo. Tools, ato i-double check. So spare tire, check na to. Of course, nara. So you can see spare tire, gabi ka sinaw kayo. So kompleto ra. Jack, range, nara, kompleto ra tanan. So this unit is kuan sir, absolutely ready for leasing na gini siya. Super kayo kahinog. 2019 Toyota Wigo G, top of the line with 18,000 mileage, good as brand new condition. So thank you, and please follow, like and share my kuan FB page is Kuya Elmer Auto Trade. So kuan lang mo dito, suod lang mo sa akong page, will update you, will post 5 to 10 units every day. Base na inyong mga units dito nga makitaan. For spot cash, negotiable, of course. And then for financing, it's only 1 to 3 days approval. So we do shipping nationwide. Walay hassle na ta diri. So thank you and Happy New Year.